Let's create add to do method so that we can add new to do. Just like we have data property where we put all the data related to our application, we can use methods property to put all the methods necessary for this application. The first method we need is add to do method. With ES6, you don't need to write function keyword to create function. This is similar to writing this. Each new to-do can have task, ID, and completed properties. Let's make completed property set to false by default. Let's add one more property called to-dos with the value of an array. It will eventually hold all the to-dos object we create. Before creating a new to-do, let's quickly add a Vue.js Chrome extension that will make our development process easier. Then click Add to Chrome. I already have it installed, that is why you see the text added to Chrome. For this to work, you should restart your browser. Once you do that, you will see a Vue plugin in the console. Right-click and choose Inspect. There you see a Vue plugin. Click on the root element. There you see the app name and task, which is currently empty. But as soon as you start typing, it is updated. Now we can take this task to create a new task object and push to the to-dos array which we created. Create a new task object. Using this, we get access to this Vue object's data properties. So the ID will increment each time by 1. Task will be whatever the user types in the input field, and completed will be false by default. Once we have this object, we can push it in to-dos array. Then empty the value of input field, which is bound by v model, so that users can create another task. Let's save this file and use this method when the button is clicked. This is how you handle click events in Vue.js. v-on::click, then the name of the method. And shorter version of this is just @sign. Let's use this instead. Let's save and give it a try. When I click the button, the page is reloaded. This is the default behavior of the browsers. To prevent this default behavior, we can use .prevent that is provided by Vue.js. Now let's try. It's perfect now. Each time you create a new task, it is added to the to-dos array. Here we have 2 objects. Perfect. The next step is to render these tasks or to-dos in our application.